I'm Lori, the resort manager here at Sun Outdoors Salt Lake City. Thank you for booking your stay with us. Why don't you let me show you around? We can accommodate various types of RVs. Our sites start at 30 feet long and go all the way up to 77 feet long. We have a few back ends and many pull-through sites. Next time you stop in on our park, you might want to check out one of our cabins as an available option. We have 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom cabins. They come with a full-size kitchen and a living room. We also offer different length of stays in our RV sites. You can go from a day, a week, or even a month. There's lots of great activities to participate in while you're here at the resort, such as pool, foosball. You can utilize the clubhouse. We have a full kitchen available if you'd like to cook. We have a fireplace you can sit and enjoy some TV. You can take a dip in the pool. While you're here at the resort, why not take in some of the local activities? For example, this wonderful trail, the Jordan River Parkway, and it runs for several miles. Close by is the downtown Salt Lake area where we have tons of shopping centers. We have many great restaurants, as well as Lagoon Amusement Park. If you're looking to take a short drive, you can check out Park City and the various ski resorts. And then not far away is Antelope Island, a state park where you can take in a wonderful sunset view, and it's also an international dark sky park. Some of the conveniences that we offer here at our park for our guests are on-site laundry, open 24 hours a day. We have a general store available that might have some of the supplies that you forgot to bring with you, just to make you feel a little bit more at home. Our entire team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable experience, like our guest service coordinator, Megan.
If there's anything that we can do to make your stay here better, please find us in the Welcome Center.
Check out our Sun Outdoors app available for download, where you can book your next stay with us and plan your amazing adventure. We look forward to welcoming you here to Sun Outdoors Salt Lake City, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.